Hi you guys, how to take care of dry hair. Tip number 1, stop washing your hair so much. Your natural oils are so good for your hair. If you can, seriously, wash your hair 1 time a week. I know it's challenging, and if 1 time a week is too much for you, you could start with every other day and slowly work your way up. Tip number 2, dry hair lacks moisture. Start using a very moisturizing deep conditioner, a really beautiful moisturizing oil. Tip number 3, what kind of hot tools are you using? Be sure to use high quality blow dryers, flat irons, and curling irons. You get what you pay for. In my next video, I'm going to share with you guys the tools that I love to use for the health of your hair, the products that I love to use for moisture, and a few other tips. So stay tuned and live life first class.